Hey you guys, it's Missylynn, and today I'm here with a get ready with me video. I thought I would film myself getting ready for today. I did a semi-neutral look with a muted purple lip. And I also used my Missylynn palette for those of you.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Beauty by Diana D. Today's video is going to be a fun video. It's a challenge that I have been seeing floating around YouTube for a while. Okay, and I really wanted to do this at first. I was going to do Jackiana's, but I was like, I don't have all the products that she used in one of the tutorials. But then I saw another YouTuber create her video, and they didn't even have the correct items, but they recreated the look instead. But I think this challenge is fun. So the challenge I am going to be doing is Missylynn's tutorial. Okay, Missylynn is an OG YouTuber, and I'm using her palette from BH Cosmetics. So at least I feel kind of like, yay, I got a product from somebody, or a product that they actually use in the video, because, you know, why not? But I did every step. I changed up my routine that I normally would do, but I did it with hers. So yeah, so without any further ado, let's go ahead and how I did the look. Alright guys, alright, challenge accepted. So first things first, it looks like Missy started out with her foundation. Foundation I'm going to be using is the Nude Maybelline foundation. I do not own majority of the products that she did use, and I did see another YouTuber did the same exact trendy video, and they didn't own the same products as the YouTuber that they was creating the look from as well. So I'm just gonna do the best I can. So I'm just gonna pump this foundation onto this beauty blender, just like Missy did. And as you can see, I have the video right here or somewhere on the screen. So I'm just going to do exactly how she does it.
Damp. So then now I'm just going to put a little of the foundation on my beauty blender and blend out any harsh lines, making sure to blend out like underneath my eyes, near my hairline, because you don't want it to look like you have a mask on. That's like one of my biggest concerns when I'm putting on foundation. This foundation is amazing. Like, I have oily skin, and it's a matte foundation, so it clings on to the dry patches. But for me, I love it. You know, it definitely
Okay, Missy, what's next?
to put a little bit of concealer on the back of my hand, and I normally do two pumps like that. And the beauty blender is damp, somewhat damp, and I just like rub it in to warm up the product, and then I'm just going to apply it underneath my eyes. And then next I'm going to go back in with that beauty blender that I used to put my foundation on, and just dab a little bit of foundation around the highlight.
I like the way it looks with the beauty blender. That she took the foundation, and I'm gonna take my foundation again with the same exact beauty blender. Yeah, and she just highlighted the areas where she did with highlighter.
And this will just help get rid
it
of
will even out the
line.
I think that's what she said. Even out the line a little bit.
And I just
not used to doing this. people.
Of the beauty blender.
So bear with me.
It just kind of gives it more
Missy,
of
I'm sorry if I am doing something wrong. I just really wanted to recreate your tutorial. But it's different, you know, it's different. Doing someone else's routine, it's so different. And I like it. This dry. Now, I don't know about you, but I like to go in with powder as soon as I apply concealer on. Like, that is my biggest right there. But if Missy, if that's, you know, what work for her, I'm gonna continue to go with the flow. It set her whole entire perimeter of her face. I'm gonna take an all-time affordable version. I'm gonna be taking the LA Colors. This is the LA Colors pressed powder in Cappacino. This is like my everyday. Self-conscious right now, but hopefully we nailed out of it.
Okay, so starting off, I'm just going to use my BH Cosmetics powder, and this will be my transition color that I always use. And I like it because it's a skin.
Okay.
And I'm going to pop this into my crease, and this will just warm up the look. And I'm trying to keep it really low beneath the crease.
So this is like her, like an everyday look that she's going for.
So I'm going to keep it really low, keep it.
And my skin is just a little shade dark.
And I don't care if it gets.
Alright, so she's going to be using this brown shade.
Go back into
this brown shade in the palette, here. And I believe she's taking
like this brown
the brown shade.
To the outer V area, and I'm gonna keep that right below the orange shade as well, as you see, like that on my lower lash line.
Okay, Missy, hold up, Missy, hold up. Now you're going to pass for me now. So she took the brown shade, so she took the brown shade
on my lower lash line,
on her lower lash line as well. So
and the outer 1/3 area, I'm just going to pass that like that. Okay, so then next what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this
shimmer shade, and she just applied it with her fingers.
This warm beige creamy eyeshadow. I'm just going to use my finger, and it has like a pinky undertone to it. So I'm just going to place that all over my eyelid. I'm going to go back in with that brown eyeshadow, just to make it a little bit more shade. I'm going to go back in with that brown eyeshadow,
just kind of
just to make it a little bit more distinct and separate it. And then taking some of this, I'm just
some areas, just a little bit. Oh Lord, let it turn out good. All right, and then she also put that shade that we use on our lid.
I put it in my inner tear duct area using a pencil brush. A wings liner, and also some black gel liner in my waterline. And then I'm just going to apply my mascara. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black. That you want. So for me, because these two colors can be a bit warm for my skin tone, I'm going to use
I don't have the exact lip colors that she is using, so I'm just gonna create my own little ombre effect like she's doing here. But this was actually kind of fun to do.
Okay, so this is the look. Okay, so I'm back. My hair is done. My makeup is done. My lips has dried. So the one thing that I want to do, I want to add some purple on my lower lash line to kind of bring out the purple in the lips. It. So I hope you guys enjoyed my neutral look for today. I have my highlight popping and I kind of have like 50
I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. This palette is definitely the palette that I use, and this look, her palette is so amazing and phenomenal. But what do you guys think how I did in the comments below? Like each step, I changed up my whole entire routine for this video, and it's like crazy. Everything she did, like hands down, even though my brows are just a little bit more thicker compared to what she did, but other than that, how do y'all think I did in the comments below? And comment below which YouTuber you want me to recreate, or which YouTuber tutorial you want me to recreate next, and let me know in the comments below. And I gotta go, and I'll see you soon.